Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a deconstructed bloom. We're going to do 3 blooms. I don't know yet if I'm going to stretch it or if I'm going to spin it out. So we'll see. So let's look at our beautiful colors. We have teal by Golden, by this little piggy. This little pitty. We have Sangria. We have Deco Art Bronze. We have Golden's Permanent Violet Dark. And then we have pigments made into this beautiful light purple, several different combined. We'll be using Black Cell Activator. So, open those up. We will start with our pillow paint, which will be, this is what I use. I really like this size canvas. This is a 10 by 20. Here we go. Okay, so we are having a problem with paints breaking up, and I'm not happy with the composition of this at all. And so I took out 2 paints. So we're going to start with the teal, then we're going to go with the, oh, I don't have my gloves on. Well, here we go. No glove painting. But instead of the Sangria, I'm going with the primary element Chambord. And instead of the bronze, I'm going with the Harvest Gold. So, I'm going to make one right here. I want to see lots of blue. And next will be the primary element Chambord. That's a pretty color. Gorgeous. And then we'll put on our, let's see, our gold. This is Harvest Gold. I have it, this is the first time I'm using this for the for anything from this little piggy. And next is our Permanent Violet Dark. And I think I'm gonna stick with those colors. I don't think I'm gonna use the light lavender that I did have, the teal and the, I don't know. I'm just experimenting. I do have, maybe, I don't think so. I think we'll stick with that. Okay, black. Where's my cell activator? Here it is. Okay, I'm gonna blow this out. I like those colors much better than the last one. the middle. Oh. Was there something in the paint there? No, I guess not. Thought there might be something in the paint. All right, our black cell activator. And let's load it. Beautiful. Okay, one more. It's kind of running out that way. We put just a little more white. I want the bloom to go on the white here. I like this color combo. Chambord by this little piggy. Harvest Gold, this little piggy. Permanent Violet Dark. All right, and here we go again. Okay, now I just need to give it some time on this end here to sell up. what I might want to do. Well, that's selling up. Got a bubble here. Might need to bring this a little closer. Kind of break up the blue. Ah, shouldn't have done that there. But I can fix that. Got too much black CA there anyway. This one's coming together nicely. That part of it probably will come off anyway. Okay, let's see. All right, what shall we do? Stretch or spin? I think I'm gonna spin. You scoot it over a little bit. And move my camera a little bit. There we go. I think that's in the middle. Pretty close. All right, let's slowly spin this. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love this here. I don't want to touch that. Oh, this is just gorgeous here. I love this lacing. After it dries, I think I might glaze over this a little. Not sure. I'm really liking this. How much paint is on there? It's not moving very much. I'm happy about that. I hope it dries nicely. This is gorgeous. One dot there, that's all. Hey, I'm good on the dots today. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. All right, my friends. Well, thank you for watching another beautiful bloom blowout or spin out. These colors are gorgeous. You've got to try them. I just love this. I'm going to get you down for a close-up, and I'm creating a playlist of these deconstructed blooms. And so if you'd like to see that, that will give you a lot more. But I am just beginning on my journey. I'm really loving it though. So, God bless you, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and joy to you. Look at this beautiful corner. Oh, the tiniest little cells there. And this beautiful bloom. And then we go down to some watercolor effects. Beautiful.